sale pa rin si Toby's Sports, up to 70% off mga buddy. Nasa ano po tayo? Shangri-La Plaza. Nasa 5th floor. Doon ako galing Yan, dumaan ako sa escalator sa may tulay. Ayun no, kita nyo yan? Up to 70% off. Wow! So nag-extend sila no. Ang daming naka-red tag Toby's Sports. Ayun mga buddy, kamusta kayo? So yun, panibagong update natin kay Toby's Sports, Shangri-La Plaza, Estacio Boulevard, Mandaluyong City, crossing po. Ayan. Sa mga napadaan, baka naman subscribe kayo para lagi po ma-update. Maraming salamat. So let's go.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe. Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange.
3595 3595 1916 1916 2155 2155 1295 1295 1276 1276 2636 2636 1516 1516 1705 1705. Mga buddy, ano to ha? Pang lalaki yung mga slide na nauna. Ito pang babae maliit, 1576. Ito 1895. 3717. 3717.
We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives. You create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job, no 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep, only scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time to stand strong, need to move.
Last pair, size 11. Naka 70 off yata to mga buddy. 2668 na lang oh. Dating 8895 Lebron. Black, guwapo oh. Ito pa, another Lebron. Ito medyo mas maliit, 2668 no. Parang size 8 lang to eh. Dating 8895. Ito yung mga bagong labas nila. Naka 10% lang, nasa 6 plus. Ito, GT na to. Regular 6 plus din. Ito, ang ganda rin nito. Regular din eh, 6295. To plus. To 316, to 316. Women. 5916, 5916. Sabrina. Sa Adidas na tayo mga buddy. To 380, to 380. Bagsak presyo to, 3750 na lang oh. Damian Lillard oh. Kulay gray mga buddy. Stick nito, Dame 9. May sizes pa to. Tapos meron pa dito mas mababa yung price oh. Kulay black naman to. Ito 2,650 na lang, 2,650. Dame Certified 3. Mga body, bagsak presyo to, 19 na lang oh. Pang men to, pang men, pang lifestyle oh. Size 10, yan size 10. Ito 19 lang din oh, bang kulay. Ito pang forma, 2660 oh. White shoes 3,150. Naka sale naman lahat oh, naka orange tag. To 150 naman to, to 150. Naka 50 off din to. Grabe oh, yun oh. Bagsak presyo mga sapatos, pang lifestyle mga body. Sa mga pang takbo naka-sale din. Pang babae ito, pang babae. Naka-orange tag lahat, kita nyo. To plus. Ito 1,880. Meron pa dito 1,800 oh. Pang babae, 1,800 mga body. Ito pa, mura to, 1,500 na lang oh. Naka 50%. Pang women po, yan small size. 7 US. Pwedeng nyo pang regalo. Ayos diba? Ito mga pang ano, pang pasyal. Ito another 1,900 pang babae. Yung iba to plus na po. Ito pa another 50 off, oh, 50%. Women, 19.
Nag-iisa na pala.
Slide, 1350. Slide, 1350. Yan, 1350. 1350. 16. Anta. 2776. 2776. Ito, may nakasale dito. Kay 6390. 6390. Oh, 6396. 6396. To 516, to 516. Continuous pa rin yung sale dito sa Tobis Sports mga buddy. Alam nyo naman dito isang bagsakan din ng murang sapatos na legit, original po. Ayan, kahit mga slide, yung mga medyas nila naka-regular eh. So puntahan nyo na lang po kung may nagustuhan kayo. May nakita ako parang naka 70 off yung dalawang Lebron, tapos may naka 60 off. So yun, hanggang dito na lang. Lagi pa mag-iingat. Subscribe sa mga bagong napadaan po sa ating channel. Yan, salamat sa lagi nyong pagsuporta. Huwag kayong magsasawa mga buddy. So malapit na ang New Year. Magpapasko na, kaya lagi mag-iingat. So hanggang dito na lang, bye bye. Thank you kay Ma'am Lady Guard. Yun, nasa likod natin. Nagtago pa.